Hello and welcome everyone. So here we are at the stall of Phillips Machine Tools, a gold sponsors for the event. There are a lot of customers we meet during the show, and one of the customers I'm meeting today is Mr. V.R. Patel from Cadmach Machines Pvt Limited. Sir, you started your journey with Phillips 2008 by you bought a first VF6 model. Sir, how has been the journey since then?
Since our machining components were so critical and accuracy-wise, we selected VF6 on ground of accuracy and the service problem. After experience on this VF6, we another added on original machining center that our components are very critical. So in around 2009, we added one EC1600 original machining center. Then on the next year, we added another machine, ZT model. Finally, we also have one 600 YT model also. In between, we have some critical component for side machining. So we added one EC500 also. Then also in another company, our sister concern, we had added VF6, VF3, and we have at least in turning category also we added one SL10 which is giving a good result, a very high productivity. And later on, last 2-3 years, couple of years, we added one VF3 also. VF2 in our sister company, we have 3 or 4 VF1.
What made you choose Haas over and over again and again?
Haas particularly, we had developed the confidence in us that for service problem and the accuracy guaranteed, really achievable, and economics point of view compared to other machine builder, we economically is just optimum cost per part also, and machining time parameters are best thing is the service. We always get on dot service, and even the service team, sales team also very cooperative.
Phillips Machine Tool is well known for its prompt services, and I think that is a response I get to hear from every customer, I would say. I've been associated with Phillips Machine Tools since a very long time, one of the oldest customers, sir. So now you will see Phillips Machine Tools is at a different aspect where they are bringing this one-stop solution. You name the machine, they have it.
Phillips has added so many other like Humble machines and then receivable also, which is our current need for us also. So in the coming near future also we are planning another machine, some kind of SPM like receivable. So that way we have seen that Phillips has added their very many products also.
And catering, one of your requirements, I would say, you have been demanded for the double column machine by Phillips Machine Tools.
Yes.
So what you would like to elaborate on that?
The best thing is this Kent machine, which is double column. We are using since 8 to 10 years. The productivity and the service problem, ease of operation is the best. So we would like to have another machines also. Now Phillips has promised us that they are also making Phillips make double column machine, which is the current need of next year.
Yes.
So we hope that Phillips also adds so many features in that sense.
Of course, we wish you the best on the upcoming Phillips made double column machine. We hope you have great collaboration for that. And thank you so much everyone for watching us.